Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface. Wash and clay bar to remove grime, then dry completely. Once done, work in a cool, shaded area between 50 degrees F and 85 degrees F so the product lays down evenly. You shake the bottle for 30 seconds to re-emulsify ingredients and apply a small test spot on an inconspicuous panel to confirm compatibility. Use a clean foam applicator, press lightly, and spread a thin, uniform film. This first step prevents trapped debris, and you now apply the wax in controlled sections. Choose 2-3 panels so you can complete each before it dries. Use small circular motions to lay down a thin coat, then let it flash to a haze, typically 2 to 5 minutes, longer in cool or humid conditions. Once hazed, pick up a clean microfiber and buff using cross-pattern strokes to remove residue and reveal shine. If you want more protection, repeat with a second thin layer after 10-15 minutes, building depth without clogging seams. You finish by inspecting the entire car under good lighting. Look for streaks, high spots, or pooled product. Make sure to detail door jambs, trim, and glass with cotton swabs or a soft brush. These areas trap wax. If you notice streaking or hazing, rewash the area and gently clay bar any embedded contaminants, then reapply a thin coat. As a last resort, use a dedicated panel-safe solvent sparingly to remove stubborn residue. Then neutralize and re-wax. This preserves gloss and avoids damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.